Hi guys, welcome to the Best for You. In today's video, we'll be breaking down 5 best cameras under $500. If you want to buy any of these cameras, you can buy right now by checking the links in the description or in the comments. So let's jump into the list. The fifth laptop in our list is the Sony 6000. It is a powerful mirrorless all-rounder. Sony's excellent A64,000 and A66,000 might be out of budget, but the A6000 is a highly capable alternative. In fact, the company claims it is the best-selling mirrorless camera to date. While it might lack its elder sibling 4K video option, you get plenty of features you will never expect to see on a similar priced DSLR. These include a mammoth 179 phase detect autofocus point that makes subject tracking a doodle together with 11 FPS burst shooting. That combination alone should make the difference appeal strongly to sports and action shooters, while the tilting LCD screen 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC only sweeten the deal further. And if we talk about specification, it has a mirrorless type APS-C sensor, 24.3 megapixel resolution, 3-inch screen monitor, 11 FPS maximum continuous shooting rate, 1080p maximum video resolution, and its user level is only for beginners. The good stuff I like about this camera is its great image quality and excellent EVF. The only bad stuff about this camera is that its display isn't touch sensitive. The fourth laptop in our list is the Canon EOS M100, an impressive compact alternative to a DSLR. Compact and lightweight, the Canon M100 neatly bridges the gap between smartphones and DSLRs. Thanks to the Canon fast dual pixel autofocusing and some responsive touchscreen control, the M100 makes it easy to capture movements on the fly. The M100 has a large 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and uses Canon Digit 7 image processor, which delivers great image quality in a wide variety of conditions. The processor also makes it possible for the M100 to capture a continuous burst of images at up to 6.1 FPS, which is great for freezing action. With a stated ISO range of 100 to 25,600 and raw shooting capabilities, it delivers superior low light performance compared to the most powerful and many other cameras with smaller sensors. Whether you are keen to explore street photography, travel or wildlife, the M100 portable size and interchangeable lenses make it is a versatile camera to carry around. And if we talk about specification, it has an APS-C sensor size, 3-inch tilting touchscreen monitor, 49-point dual pixel autofocus, 6.1 FPS maximum continuous shooting rate, user level is beginner, and it can record movies in full HD. The good stuff I like about this camera is that it is compact and lightweight, fast autofocus system, responsive touchscreen, and brilliant image quality. The bad stuff about this laptop is that it has no viewfinder supports and its ergonomics are very poor. The third laptop in our list is the Canon EOS 2000D. A flipwood LCD and dual pixel make this a great buy. An impressively spaced beginner DSLR and one of the long-awaited successor to the entry-level EOS 1000D. The Canon EOS 2000D is a great choice for any standing on or aspiring photographer looking to try out their first DSLR. It doesn't do anything particularly flash, but does manage everything you need to it. A 9-point autofocus system, 3 FPS burst shooting, full HD video, and of course, the EFS mount that gives the user access to the whole catalog of fantastic lenses. Friendly to the user but offering room to grow, the EOS 2000 represents a fantastic bargain. And if we talk about specification, it has a 24.1 megapixel resolution, Canon EFX lens mount, 3-inch LCD screen, optical viewfinder, 3 FPS continuous shooting, user level is beginner, and it records full HD movies. The good stuff about this camera is that it is tiny, its body is very light, and its price is very excellent. The only bad stuff is that it has no dual pixel. The second laptop in our list is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. It is the new flagship action camera with a new processor. Welcome to the newest and best GoPro around. It might look a lot like the GoPro Hero 9, but it is a pretty significant upgrade. It features the new G2 processor, which makes the interference super responsive, double the frame rates, and fuel the best image stabilization tech available in action cameras. The standard feature is its ability to record 5.3K 60p using GoPro Hero new Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization. Also has the ability to shoot 23 megapixel photos and has the best low light performance of any GoPro yet. You can buy a wealth of accessories separately, so as well as mounting it on your helmet, you could attach it to your chest chest, your head, or even onto one of the best selfie sticks. And if we talk about specification, it has 153 grams weight, up to 60 fps at 5K video, up to 120 fps at 4K video, up to 240 fps and 1080p video, 23 megapixel resolution, and 1 to 32 hour best streak time. And that is huge. The good stuff I like about this camera is its fast user experience, increased frame rate, and hydrophobic lens coating. The bad stuff about this camera is that it is not compatible with old batteries, and it is bigger than the Hero 8 Black and Hero 7 Black. And the first laptop in our list is the Nikon D3500. Nikon newest DSLR is cheap, easy to use, and very good. Not only is this just about the freshest and newest beginner DSLR on the market, it also comes in well under our top budget, leaving you cash left over for accessories. Indeed, we have ranked it number 1 on our best Nikon camera list. The D3500 is a refreshed and redesigned version of the D3400 before it, with a 24 megapixel sensor and the fast focusing autofocus kit lens with a retracting mechanism so that it takes up less space when you are carrying it around. The cheapest deal include a non-VR lens, but we recommend paying just a little extra for the VR version. And if we talk about specification, it has the APS-C sensor, 24.2 megapixel resolution, Nikon DX lens mount, 921K dots, 5 FPS continuous shooting speed, user level is beginner, and it records 1080p video resolution. The good stuff I like about this camera is its speedy autofocus kit lens, very beginner friendly, and great image quality. The only bad stuff about this camera is its fixed rate screen, where most people don't like this feature. For more details and latest prices, check the links in the description. That's all. I hope this video will help you in selecting best cameras under $500. If this really helped you, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe or follow us. Thanks for watching.